Hello everyone, how are you doing? As you read from the title, today I am going to be unboxing my November SinglesSwag box. On my Instagram story, I asked you guys what I should open next, and you said Stitch Fix, but it's just still a little too hot in here, and I'm just not feeling wearing clothes right now and trying them on for you. So I'm sorry, I'm gonna be opening this, but don't worry, Stitch Fix is coming soon. But before I get unboxing, I wanted to show you something that came in the mail. It is super cool, and I have a question for you guys. So, L'Occitane sent me this advent calendar. It is so cool, you guys. Look at it. Oh my god. It's the coolest contraption ever. But I want your opinion. Should I open this all at once for you guys? Or would you like to see me do like a daily thing or both? So I can just show you guys, because if you're interested in seeing what's in it before you purchase it, I could do that. Or I can wait till December 1st and start opening it. Or like I said, I could do both. Like do one video showing it all, and you can skip that if you don't, if you want it to be a surprise. But anyways, I'm super excited. If you're unfamiliar with the brand, it's like luxury skincare, Bath and Body. It smells so good. I'm so excited to see what's inside. I'm so grateful I got sent this, so I'm just gonna keep it here for now. It smells good and it's cute. I'll link that below. I think there's a promo code I have that will give you a free gift, like an 8-piece gift set from L'Occitane, so I will include that in the description box. And of course, I will leave all the information for SinglesSwag too below, so you can get the pricing, shipping, everything like that. Just want to mention this does ship internationally, so let's get unboxing. By the way, if I'm going quick or talking fast, it's because my air conditioner people are coming to finally put in a temporary AC unit. I was waiting for them, but they were a little behind on their previous jobs. I just got a phone call, it'll be here within the next hour. Like before, I didn't want to do it, you know, and have them show up, but you know, it's getting later. If you can tell, it's kind of dark. It looks like it might storm here, but that would cool down the house, so I'm okay with that. But my phone is on, so if it goes off or you hear anything like Snapchat noise, I'm sorry. I just want to keep it on in case they show up. Anyways, I'll stop rambling and get to business. So this is what it looks like. As always, there is a card on top, and it tells you the price of everything. So they guarantee like what do they say? You'll get at least like $100 or something like that in here, or 3 times the total value, which is, I think comes out to be like that, because you pay $39.99, I believe. Again, I'll put that below. I'm sorry, I'm not super well prepped today. They also offer a petite version that's like $24.99. And they say it's going to be at least 3 times what you pay, the value, and the total retail value of this box is $202. So that is great. I paid about $40 and it's $202 value. So I'm just going to keep this right here on the side like always so I can refer to that later. The first thing I see is so cute, and I need more. Hair ties. I love these kind of hair ties. I have that in the back. Okay, good. I think that this is focusing better. Yesterday's video it wouldn't focus. Oh my god, there's an avocado one. First I was just looking at that watermelon because I love watermelon stuff. That is awesome. I am super excited about this. Where is this on here? The Kitsch hair tie bracelet set. Why do they call it bracelets? I guess you can wear it as a bracelet too. $14 value. These must-have accessories are sweet, simple, and easy to wear year-round. Kitsch hair ties are gentle on the hair and are a perfect addition to your ponytail or wrist. It's true. It's really cute. You can keep it on your wrist, and then if you want to pull your hair up, you can do that. Maybe I'll do that today. I'm probably going out soon, so I'm sure I'll want to pull my hair up. I can't believe I even have it down. I think I'm like getting more acclimated to the hot house, you know? I bet you guys are so excited for me to stop talking about being hot all the time, but I don't know if that'll ever happen in Southwest Florida. But anyways, the next thing I see is by Molly Jacob. Oh, I like this brand. We got a lip product from SinglesSwag before in the past. It's like a pretty pink. But this is the Vivid Glow palette. Oh, and it looks like it's an eyeshadow palette. I'll open it up in just a moment. And so it's cruelty-free, awesome. It has natural ingredients, fragrance-free, paraben-free, infused with jojoba seed oil, and petrochemical-free. Oh, this is so cute and little. I like this. So it's called the Ruby Crush palette, it looks like. And look, it's shaped like a round little, like a pan. Let's see, so it's taped. There's a little protector thing that came over it. I like these shades, and it comes with a little brush. I never use these little ones, but super cute. And sorry the lighting's not the best in here. Let's see how these swatch. Ooh, they feel nice. So here are 3, let's see. I'll do one at a time. What am I doing? So that is 1. I didn't really get my finger really in there. Let's see. So that there, it looks like there's mostly mattes and 1 shimmer, which is unusual. I'm glad. I feel like I've been using a lot of palettes I normally don't reach for lately, just because I'm trying to explore my collection, you know, more, you know, shop my stash, and a lot of them do not have mattes, or like they have like 1 matte. So this is like a good transition shade. This one's pretty light. It matches my skin tone almost. Well, no, it doesn't. Who am I kidding? It's a little darker. This one I'm about to swatch probably matches my skin tone the most. Yeah, you can't even really see it. And let me get it. The last matte is like a brown. Let me use my thumb for the shimmer. This is good like every day, I think. Yeah, that one is seriously my skin shade. The second one, I can't believe I said that one was. So those are just like really light swatches. Like I didn't even put my finger really in there. But I like it. I think this will be good. It feels buttery. It definitely seems like it's buildable. Let's see, I'm gonna try one out. Oh yeah, see that second shade right there? Definitely buildable. It's not patchy. Okay, I'm super excited about this. And I think this is so perfect for travel and so cute. And I like how it's clear on top so you can see the colors in there. This is the Molly Jacob Vivid Glow palette, $36 value. This essential travel-friendly bronzer features 5 gorgeous shades to mix and match and create the perfect glow for any occasion all year round. Be sure to use the slide-out mirror on the bottom for on the go. Use code SWAG30 at mollyjacob.com to receive 30% off your order. Okay, I didn't even realize there was a slide-out mirror. No. Oh, okay, see that? Sorry, that's reflective. Cool. That's really cool. I've never seen any palette like this before. I'm loving this. It's so cute too. Okay, I'll move on. I said I was gonna be quick and I'm already almost 8 minutes. What? Okay, I'm loving that. Again, perfect. Like, I'm like our neutral girl, you know? Love it. Okay, but anyways, this is something by Elizabeth Stone. I'm guessing it's jewelry. Have we gotten something from them before? Oh, it is jewelry and it's cute. So this is like a Crescent moon. It says laid back glam, dreamy bohemian jewelry designed in Los Angeles. I really like that. It looks like it's adjustable, I think. Let's see if it says how long it is here. $78 value, what? Elizabeth Stone Crescent moon necklace, $78 value. Sorry, I thought I heard maybe the air conditioner is out there. Is this a neighbor? My window's open. The moon brightens the entire night sky, illuminating things from the darkness. Where the stylish, sophisticated necklace is a reminder to shine your own light and brighten the world around you. 17-inch chain with a 3-inch extender. Awesome. I'm super pumped about it. I love just like delicate things. Oh, I'm wearing that, God, I can't even finish the sentence. I love delicate jewelry pieces. And I'm wearing that little heart from yesterday's box, or bag, the lip service bag. So it's just so dainty and cute. I love it. So this is perfect for me. I love stuff like that. You can kind of like keep on for days. You know, it goes with everything. All right. Wow, $78. Okay, next thing. Oh, this is cute. This is by Lauren B. Beauty, Beverly Hills, Reparative Cuticle Oil. Look how cute the packaging is. It says, packed with super nourishing essential oils and vitamins, our powerhouse antioxidant formula hydrates, heals, and protects. Twice daily, squeeze 1 drop onto each cuticle, wait 1 to 2 minutes, then massage it into and around your nails. Okay, I need to get better about using this stuff. This seems a little bit better because it's like a dropper. Like sometimes I put too much on and I'm all greasy. I can't touch everything and I can't handle not being on my phone or my laptop. So I'm excited to try this out. Let's learn more about it here. This is $22 value. It's a custom blend of 14 ultra pure plant and flower oils designed to quickly hydrate your dry cuticles. The cuticle oil treatment is packed with amino acids promoting healing and revival. Apply with the convenient dropper tip applicator so you can take as little or as much as you need. No mess. So that part I like. I've been trying to use my one I got in a BoxyCharm recently. Is that? Yeah, this one. I've used it a couple times. It smells really good. So maybe I'll leave this one in here and this one downstairs. So maybe I'll use it like when I'm just watching TV. I think that's a good idea. I'm one of those people that needs reminders. Like I can't even put things in my refrigerator drawers because then I won't eat them and they'll go bad. Because I have to see it. Oh my god, I see food and I'm so hungry. An emoji cookie. This is adorable. I always use the heart face with the cat one. Of course I use the cat emojis. So this is a decorated shortbread cookie by the Emoji brand. Half of the cookie is 120 calories if you were curious. And this is $4. It says, heart yourself and indulge in this delicious shortbread cookie handmade in the USA. And I will. And I probably shouldn't because I'm going out to dinner tonight, but I might have to try that because I am hungry. Ooh, body oil. I like this. This is 7. Breather, Cedar Wood, and Grapefruit Moisturizing Body Oil. So this stuff is great. I know it's hot where I live, but the majority of the country is getting very dry. When I was in Chicago, it was so dry. Like, I could tell right away even though it wasn't winter yet. It says, firm, hydrate, and relax your skin with Will. Okay, that must be the brand, Will. Our moisturizing body oil blends are high in vitamin E, tannins, in parentheses it says antioxidants in case you weren't sure, linoleic acid, and omega-3 and 6. Effective in moisture loss control, our oils improve skin vitality. So it says to apply after on clean skin after a shower. That is the best way to get absorption. I used to be really good about that in Chicago, but here sometimes I don't always, but I'm pretty good about applying moisturizers. So this is $32 value, and like to be repetitive, it just says firm, hydrate, relax your skin. It pretty much says this on the back of here. Effective in controlling moisture loss and improving skin vitality. Let's see if there's a scent. Let's see. Cedar Wood and Grapefruit. Well, there's a safety seal. Just take it off. And I'm gonna keep this. So it's a very mild scent. It smells good though. I smell more of the cedar wood, but I think the grapefruit kind of like, or maybe the cedar wood mild, you know, makes it more mild. Because sometimes grapefruit can be very citrusy smelling. Good combination. Sounds weird, cedar wood and grapefruit, but I like it. I'm excited to use this. Keep this out too. Gosh, there's a book in here it looks like. This is Talking as Fast as I Can. New York Times bestseller, Lauren Graham, From Gilmore Girls to Gilmore Girls. Oh, after I read that. From the star of the much-loved television show Gilmore Girls and Parenthood and the author of the New York Times bestselling novel Someday, Someday, Maybe comes a collection of candid and hilarious essays. I like essay books. I think I've even mentioned that before on this channel because it's just easier to read, you know, like if you're busy or just like don't read as much because you're on YouTube all the time, it's easier to read these because you don't have to commit too much time. You can just read one essay one day and then another different day, just like leave it out. So that's cool. Let's see. I always thought she was so cute. I really should watch that series. I wasn't really allowed to watch too much TV when I was younger, so I never got into it, but maybe I'll do that. Not like I need to watch more TV, but okay. Where is this? So this is a $16 value. This New York Times bestselling book from Lauren Graham, the adored star of Gilmore Girls, Parenthood, and more, brings together a collection of personal essays and stories about life, love, and happiness. Plus, this updated edition contains a special bonus chapter. Cool. I think that's everything. Doesn't it seem like a lot of stuff? I am most excited about the palette because I just think that is such a good idea. Like, oops, the brush is kind of flinging around there, but I love the slide out mirror. I didn't even realize that at first. I love that you can see through it, so like when you're going through your stuff, you can figure out what you want to use quicker. It's everyday wear type. There's matte shades, finally. This is what I'm by far the happiest with. I love the necklace too. I might switch that out. I don't know. And these are so practical. I need them. Love them. The avocado one, amazing. Yeah. What do you guys think? I'm so happy today. I feel like I have so much new stuff and I'm so excited about this. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day, and thank you for putting up with me this week. I know I've been complaining about heat a lot, and I'm sorry, but soon I think my problems will be solved. I hear it sounds like a big truck's outside. What if that's the air conditioner, people? Probably not. But anyways, thank you guys again. Next time I see you, I will have air conditioning, hopefully. All right, bye guys. See you tomorrow.